All right, so I am tired being in the house all day. I want to go outside, enjoy nature. So let's do some exercises and go running. And there is 2 freaking crane flies having sex right in front of our house. Disgusting. Look at this. So we are gonna go ahead and run around the neighborhood into the park safely, of course, with social distancing, and do some cardio exercises. So come on, let's go. So let's start out with just some basic running, aka jogging. So let's go. All right, so I did a little bit of jogging, a few blocks, and then once I kind of got bored doing the same running, same thing, I like to stagger it with some sprints in between. So usually I challenge myself between here to a sign or here to a tree. Just a sprint, stop, just to like spice things up a little bit, okay? So I'm ready to sprint. Ready? Ready? Go! All right, so next, after we're done with the sprints, we're gonna do lunges. However many you can do. I usually count up to 50 to 100. So let's go. I really like this for the posture, working out my butt, working out my thighs. Oh yeah. Slow and steady. So next exercises we'll do, that I usually do, is leapfrogs. And I don't care what people say about me, but this is good for your glutes. So usually when there's no one in front of me on the sidewalk, I usually like to run backwards too, just to spice things up and just to work on balance too. So let's get going. All right, next is butt kicks. Kick that booty, kick that booty. Next, high knees. Alrighty, that's it. Thanks for watching. What was your favorite part of the exercise? Please comment and subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching.